Good afternoon, I'm David here, and this is my prototype. Okay, let me explain about my prototype operation. Okay, first water will be stored at this copper tube, and it will be heated up, and once it start to heat, it will release steam, and the steam will be sent to this tank where all the steam will be stored. And through this pipe, you can see there's a pipe going here to the black pipe and the black pipe here. So all the pressure stored can be seen here. Normally at 40 psi to 60 psi I will release the steam, where the steam normally will be here. So at this valve I will release the steam, and the steam will enter the steam turbine at here. You can see it's connected here and goes here, and it will start to rotate, and it will start to produce power. And when the steam leaves the steam turbine, it will go back, like it will go over to the cooling coil through this pipe. You can see there's one pipe here. It will enter the cooling coil, where the steam will be cooled down and turned back to water, and that water will be sent back to the water storage tank. And this water storage tank purpose is to store all the water, and to send water through this valve to the parabolic mirror when it is needed. Okay, let me explain about my electrical circuit part. There's a voltmeter I connected parallel to the steam turbine. Okay, that's a connection direct to the steam turbine, and I have connected I have used a 470 ohms resistor load to indicate as a load, and I use this to measure the current. So through this meter I can see what current we are getting. So it enters the meter and comes back by this black wire back to the generator. Okay, on my next video I will demonstrate my prototype. Now you can see the project is running. So now we are getting about you can see here we are getting around 3.7 volt, and we are getting the ampere in between. The reading is in between 25 about 20 to 30 amp, 20 to 30 there. It's on the scale it's about 20 there, 25 there. Okay, so now you can see the project is running, and this battery is for the voltmeter. On previous video I forget to mention about that. So you can see that, okay, the water is going back to the copper tube, and that's all there. And you can see the pressure at here, and it's very hot. Okay, that's all for my video demonstration. Thank you.